Welcome to another FoodLabelMaker tutorial. Today, we're covering the AI density conversion feature, a tool for calculating density for both individual ingredients and complete recipes. I'm now on Recipe Setup, showing you a berry smoothie recipe that I've previously built on the FoodLabelMaker dashboard. The recipe I created is a liquid, so I will go ahead and click on Advanced Setup. This is where we can identify the accurate recipe density to use. Here's where the magic happens. Click on the AI assistant at the bottom right. Our AI will scan through your recipe's name and ingredients and cross-check them against the FAO and Foods density database, and will propose the most relevant density options for your recipe. Next, confirm the density you'd like to use. The AI instantly provides the density conversion. Once the conversion is complete, the density value integrates directly into your recipe formulation. Simply click Save, and the conversion is automatically factored into your nutrition analysis. It's that easy. Our AI density converter also works at an ingredient level. Go to Recipe Builder at the top to find any ingredients that have volumetric units, like in this case 8 fluid ounces of milk. You will need to specify the density of that ingredient to ensure the nutrition analysis is accurate. When selecting any volume unit, you will see a mini AI assistant which will propose the most relevant density options for your ingredient, again based on a smart cross-check against a trusted density database accurately without the hassle. Now, your nutritional label reflects the new ingredient amounts, ensuring everything is compliant and accurate. So there you have it! With the AI density converter, you can easily and accurately convert ingredient densities to ensure your recipes are perfectly formulated,